morning. I'm Doc Ella from the Region Health Office. I'm here for infection control audit. Welcome, I'm Nurse Lisa and our infection control officer. I have our monitoring forms and update procedures ready. Perfect. Let's start with the waste handling protocols.
Karen, wait, that's a biohazard bag. You need gloves. Here's the gloves, Karen.
Oh no, I didn't notice the level.
That's okay. It's a common mistake, but it's dangerous. Always check the bags before handling.
I love this in the infection control monitoring form. Thank you, Brian, for answering quickly. Pwede na kung muna sa pila ka siya.
Otherwise, handling and videos right after lunch. Everyone must follow the procedure at all times.
I'll double check the bins in the lab. I will print the extra warning levels and stick on them every bin. Honestly, I feel really to keep here. How serious you all are about infection control.
I have put up new signs around the storage room.
You handle that accident, professionality, monitoring, action, and teamwork. That's what infection control is all about.